Hey guys, welcome to Empowering DIY. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day. We are. Clayton got his cast off. You can show me your arm. Woo! Starting to get some mobility back on it, and slowly but surely he'll be able to help me a little bit more. So today I wanted to start working on our new boat. Unfortunately, the center console has kicked my butt. I've got probably 5 or 6 nights on it now. We've been trying to rebuild the tilt and trim, and it's just not working out right. So I think we're having more trouble than it's worth on that tilt and trim, and we might have to just go ahead and purchase another one. So we kind of pulled it out. I covered it up with a tarp, and I think maybe tomorrow, if it's decent, we're going to try to go to the lake tomorrow, but maybe tomorrow afternoon, whatever. We're still going to try to fire up the motor, make sure the gas isn't terrible, get it cleaned out, check the spark plug, stuff like that on it. So if we do get a new tilt and trim, we don't have to do anything else to the motor. We can just put it in the water. But until then, we wanted to work on our new boat. It's new to us. It's 20 years old. It's a 2000 Bryant. It's not in perfect shape, but it's in great shape, and that's hard to say for a 20-year-old boat. My first boat that we bought was rough, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. It was rough, which you were only 6 years old when, or 2 years old. Excuse me, you were only 2 years old when we bought it. But we had our old pontoon boat for 6 years. Excuse me, I can't talk. And during that time, we replaced the interior, rewired the boat, went through the motor. Even brought it to a shop, had them go through the motor, tried to do a bunch of other stuff, rewired the trailer, painted it, blah, 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 going on and on. Then I sold it. I literally don't have any sense sometimes, do I? Yeah. So, I guess that's the story of a lot of our lives, right? We get something about to where we're happy with it and sell it. So, we got a new boat. Like I said, it's 2000 Bryant. It's not perfect, but it runs great, it drives great, gets out on the water and takes off, and I kind of wanted to go over it a little bit because there's going to be plenty of probably minor project videos on this boat. But it is a boat, so you're always having to work on it. So again, if you follow my channel because of boat stuff, I'm sure we'll have plenty of it. I know this is a DIY channel. I got air conditioner junk, plumbing junk, electrical junk. What else we got? All kinds of stuff to work on. The CNC machine. So anyways, we'll try to do a wide variety, keep everybody interested. Anyways, I'll quit blabbering. Before I continue though, we are so close to the 200 subscribers. We're at 186, I think, and at 200 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway for a $25 gift card to Lowe's. If it's someone local that wins and you know me personally and you say, hey, I don't want a $25 gift card, maybe Amazon or something like that, we can work it out. Even anybody, if you're a subscriber and you win, I'm basically going to give away 25 bucks. So if you want a different type of gift card, that's up to you. But it's a DIY channel, so I thought Lowe's would be good. But maybe if you follow me for boat stuff, maybe I'll give you a $25 gift card to West Marine or Academy Sports or something. So anyway, we'll talk about that when we get closer to the giveaway. It's coming. Now, I got some really, really good news. I might be putting the cart before the horse a little bit, but I believe we got our first sponsor. Now, I'm not going to tell you who that sponsor is yet because I want to make sure everything goes through. You know, I get the stuff from them, and we can make sure we have a good relationship before I start posting a bunch of videos and stuff. But this channel is moving. I know we don't have a lot of subscribers yet. I know we don't have all the stuff to get you know, paid on YouTube, and we're not getting paid. This is all for free. This is all time consuming. It's costing me a lot of money actually, but it's fun. This is for me and Clayton, and we're learning and we're having a good time. But getting a sponsor like this to be able to show some products for free, and to be able to do some giveaways for y'all is huge for me. It's exciting, and I feel like it's going to help our channel grow. So please stay tuned and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the bell. We're trying to get videos out as much as we can. You know, so if we do get a video out, you'll get a notification for it. And let's check the boat out. Why am I still talking? All right, so this is probably a terrible angle. It's kind of hard to get everything, and we're kind of running out of light. I'll try to set up some lights here in a little bit, but this is our 21-foot Bryant bow rider boat. Let me go around this way and I'll show you the front. There's the front of it, and excuse the covers. It did come with the bow cover and the rear cover, and it also come with a whole boat cover, so it covers the whole thing. So, and that's what that is. I'm gonna cover it back up when we're done working on it tonight, so that's why I just threw them right there. But it's got, you know, the two little cubbies on each side. There's the steering column, the driver's seat, captain's seat, right, and the passenger side. But it's got the 5.7 liter Mercruiser in it. Yeah, it's basically a Chevy 350. But like I said, this boat is 20 years old and it is super clean. It's in really, really good shape. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's a 20-year-old boat. I already did replace the stereo. Now, some of you more veteran boaters, like, well, I've been a boater for years now, but some of you more technical people would jump all over me, say you're crazy for it. But we replaced the stereo. That is a dual. That stereo cost me $16. It has no CD player in it, nothing, but it has a Bluetooth, and it has radio, and it links up to my phone. It's got an app on it I can control. I put a little magnetic mount here. I put my phone here, and I can literally turn the volume up and down. I can change stations. I can do whatever I want. I can control that entire radio from my phone sitting over there, and I don't even have to open the glove box. So if this thing lasts 6 months, if it lasts a month, I got my money's worth. It's $16. So I wasn't too pleased with the wiring that a local stereo shop did to the back of it, and the amp had fried on the new radio, or excuse me, on the radio that come on the boat. So we replaced that. I was in a pinch. We were ready to go to the lake. I threw it in there so we can have some music. The boat did come with a 10-inch sub and an amp. All of it works great. I got it hooked up to the new radio. It's all under there, and we're gonna do plenty of rewiring. Now let me say again, the wiring is in really good shape, except, well, you can't really see well. It's dark. I'll get some lighting in there to where we can actually see, but the stereo shop, they didn't do any good connections. They actually spliced the wire, wrapped it around, and electrical taped it. No solder or nothing. So that's not acceptable in my book. We're gonna fix it. But when I put the new stereo in, I used butt splices, electrical tape. I got it cleaned up the best I could for temporary, knowing that I'm gonna rewire it. But it's working right now. I'm gonna leave it alone until I'm ready to tackle all that. But for now, I want to do a fun little project to break the ice on this boat. You want to hop up real quick? Okay, so what I got is these lights from Amazon. They're 12 volt waterproof blue lights. We decided to go with blue, and this is just a big old pack of terminal strips. I like to make these where if you got to do a bunch of connections, it looks neat. But I just got a big pack of them. I got some wire, and what we're going to do is try to decide where we're going to put the lights. I'm going to do one under that steering column. I'm going to do one under there. I'm going to do one in there. Do one on the other side. And I'm kind of undecided on the engine bay. I don't think I need 3. I think I'm going to do one on the center section, maybe on the back. Can't see the Bimini tops in the way, but the back of this is easy to mount to. But this is also plywood right here, so I can either mount it here, but I don't know if it would, I don't know if it would look good right here yet. So anyways, we'll figure it out. And then the other thing is, I'm thinking about putting 2 lights. Watch out, bud. Thinking about putting 2 lights in the back, above the water line, of course, but to where if we happen to swim at night or out at night anyway, we can have the back end kind of glow, you know, lit up a little bit, so it'll light up the water, kind of look cool. But I'm still undecided on that. So that being said, I'm going to cut the camera off right now, and I'm going to try to figure out where I'm going to place some of these lights, because that's long and drawn out and boring. There's no point in me sitting there recording, me sitting here scratching my head. So when I start placing the lights and start running the wire, I will say that luckily I had an extra, the accessory switch. Oh, that's terrible view. Accessory switch here. I found the wire underneath the dash. It was not plugged into anything. I do not know what it was used for. I don't know if it was just always unused, but the wire's there. So I'm gonna tie it into one of these. It's already got a fuse. Bless you. Anyways, it's already got a fuse. There's a fuse block up underneath the dash. It's got a 10 amp fuse in it right now, which is way too much for these lights. So we're gonna go down to like a 5 amp fuse or a 3 amp, I think. Anyways, I'm still blabbering. So let me put the camera down and try to figure out what I'm gonna do with these lights. And I'll be back with you sometime or another.
What are you doing?
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Dad.
Hey. Hey. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Empowering DIY.
Don't do that.
What?
Don't put that one.
Okay, come back.